upset, y'all, because I was recording, or so I thought, and this thing wasn't doing anything, but whatever. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. I have to start over. So, I will be doing a what did I get / unboxing from Lovely Wholesale. We're just going to start from the beginning. But before I continue on, go like this video, subscribe, comment down below, reach out to your girl. All right, first things first. I have a dress here. I got this in a 3XL. It is in the color orange. It is super bright, but it kind of, okay, it compliments me, but it is orange. It's a maxi dress. I feel like I could have sized down, but we shall see. The next thing I have here is a dress, another dress in the color black in a 4XL. Nope. Yeah, this is a 4XL. The orange one was a 3XL. Yeah, it's just another maxi dress. A simple black dress. Can never go wrong with that. I'll also try to have the picture right here of what everything looks like. Okay, next thing. I have a pair of pants here that I got in a 4XL. I'm not sure if this is burgundy. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is that burgundy, y'all, or red? I don't know. But yeah, I got these in a 4X. They're really cute. They flare at the bottom. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I would wear with this. We'll see. Okay. The next thing I have here is a jumpsuit that I got in a 3XL. It has the purple and blues mixed in together here. Yeah, it's just a jumpsuit, wide leg jumpsuit. Hopefully it's not too big. We'll see. The next thing I have here, I did not know this was a two-piece. I thought it was a one-piece jumpsuit, but whatever. It's a two-piece. I got it in a 4XL, so this is the top. It looks like pretty much a crop top. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the straps are not adjustable. So I can already tell you right now that this is probably going to end up being too big, only because the straps are not adjustable. And I also cannot figure out how this top goes, because this just looks weird. I'll figure it out. This is the pants to it here. Oh, okay. It has a little detailing on the bottom here. Okay. Oh, it has pockets. Great. Okay, we'll see how this works out. Not sure about that one. This one here, I don't remember ordering, but it's a pair of jeans, and I got this at a 5XL. I don't know if that was smart, but we'll see. It has the distressed detailing on the front sides of both legs. I believe they are skinny jeans, if I'm not mistaken. They are skinny jeans. But I really feel like it's going to be too big. I don't know. We'll see. The next thing in here. This is a dress. I know. This was in a size 4XL. Let's open this. Is it a dress? Yes, this is a dress. It has red flowers all over it. It's black and white with red flowers. It does not have adjustable straps, but it's okay. It's just another maxi dress. This is really cute though. I really like this. Yeah, I really like this one. Okay, let's put that over there. The next thing here, another two-piece set. I know y'all probably like, girl, how many two-piece sets do you need? But, let's see. This is in the color red. I got this in a 4XL, so here are the shorts to it. And then this top, okay, it's one of those where it opens up on the side type things. Hopefully this one works better or looks better than the one I had got from Temu and my other haul. If you go back to my last video, you'll see it. I had got a black one, but I got it a size too big, so it didn't really show off the side slits and the shorts. You couldn't see the shorts, but hopefully that one works. All right, this next thing in here, I got in a 4XL. What is this? It's a dress. Okay, cool. It's another dress. Oh, this one has adjustable straps. Good. I love that. Okay. How do these dresses go? What in the world? Okay. I'll definitely figure it out once I put it on. The straps are looking major confusing. I don't know. But anyway, it's a dress. It's like a maxi dress. I'm not sure if it goes all the way down to my ankles, but it probably will because I'm short. But this is in like a hunter green. It doesn't really look green on camera, but it is green. All right. And then the last thing that's in here, I got in a 4XL. It's probably some leggings. Is it? No. Oh, it's a dress. Okay. For starters, I thought it was longer than this, but it's okay. But it has the cutout details all over it, all the way down to about right here. It has the cutouts. Okay. And of course, as you can see, it's black. Now that I think about it, I had another one from my last haul that was black with cutouts. I don't know what my thing is with these cutouts, but I think it's because I'm trying to, I don't know, accept the fact that you can be any size and wear cutouts. So hey, we're gonna go with it. And I got this one in a size, once again, a 4X. Okay. So that is everything in my haul. Please stay tuned for the try-on haul of all of these items. That's going to be a long haul. I might split it into two because your girl, I be busies. Yes, I said busies. But whatever. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Please subscribe. I know y'all be looking at my videos and then y'all like, okay, I see her little try-on haul, then y'all bypass it. Girl, subscribe. Come back. Watch the rest of my videos. Like, come on. Help a girl out. I know y'all want to. Don't be scared. But yeah. With that being said, make sure y'all check out my other videos. And I'll see y'all in the try-on haul. Peace.